Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to Global Affairs Academy. Today, we are discussing a topic that is becoming more important every single day in global politics, international economy, and the future balance of world power. Our topic today is the United States losing influence in Africa to China and Russia. This is not only a question about diplomacy or foreign policy, it is also a question about the future of global trade, energy, technology, natural resources, security partnership, and economic growth in the 21st century. Africa is no longer viewed only a developing continent facing challenges. It is increasingly becoming one of the most valuable and strategically important region, right, in the entire world. Before we begin today's deep discussion, Before we begin today's brief discussion, dear listeners, support the Global Academy by liking this video, subscribe to the channel and turning on notifications so you never miss our future global politics, economics, history and international affairs. And we would also love to hear from you. Please tell us in the comment which country you are listening from and share your opinion. Do you think the United States is truly losing influence in Africa, or do you believe Washington still remains a powerful force across the continent? Your opinions and perspective always make discussions interesting and more global. For many decades, global attention was mainly focused on Europe, the Middle East, and East Asia whenever people discuss great power competition, right? But today, Africa is moving closer to the center of international politics. Governments from Washington, Beijing, Moscow, Brussels, Ankara, New Delhi, and the Gulf states are all increasing their presence across African continent, right? They are increasing their presence across African countries. New ports are being constructed along strategic coastline. Massive railway systems are connecting inland economies to global shipping route. Technology companies are competing for digital infrastructure content. Foreign militaries are building partnerships with local government. Behind all the development is a larger geopolitical reality. The world's biggest powers increasingly understand that Africa may become one of the defining regions of the future global economy. One region, Africa, matters so much is population growth. Africa has one of the youngest and fastest growing populations on the earth. During the coming decade, hundreds of millions of young people will enter labor market, universities, technology sector, and consumer economy across the continent. Some experts believe that by the end of this century, Africa could contain a very large percentage of the world's population. This means Africa is not only important for tomorrow's workforce, innovation, manufacturing, and consumer market. Countries that build a strong relationship with African nations today may gain enormous economic and political advantages in the future. Another major reason for Africa's growing importance is natural resources. That is, Africa contains some of the world's most valuable reserves of oil, natural gas, cobalt, lithium, copper, uranium, gold, and rare earth minerals. Many of these materials are absolutely essential for modern industry, including electric vehicles, batteries, renewable energy systems, smartphones, artificial intelligence infrastructure, and advanced military technologies. As the global economy becomes increasingly dependent on high technology and clean energy transition, access to these resources becomes strategically critical. Right? This is one reason why global powers are competing aggressively for mining agreement energy partnerships, infrastructure access, and long-term trade relationship throughout the continent. Geography also gives Africa enormous strategic value. The continent sits near some of the world's most important maritime trade routes, shipping lane connecting Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Middle East pass through areas close to African coastline, the Red Sea, the Suez Canal, the Horn of Africa, and major Atlantic and Indian Ocean ports all play major roles in international trade and energy transportation. Any country that gains a stronger economic or military influence, these strategic areas can improve its global position. This explains why powerful nations are investing heavily in port logistics centers, transportation corridors, and naval partnerships across different parts of Africa. Thank you for watching.